Lāhui, aloha. Tonight on the menu we have chicken and mushroom with wine and tarragon. First you're going to want to season your chicken with salt and pepper and let that cook. And then on the side you want to make your onions nice and translucent and saute them in butter and garlic. Once that's brown, add your mushrooms from Small Kind Farms. Mahalo e Small Kind Farms. Boom, once that's pau, you're going to want to add your chicken into the mix. Then you're going to want to cook for 3 to 5 minutes this white wine. I use Chardonnay. Add in a teaspoon of marjoram. Again, let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add your chicken stock and some flour to thicken that baga. Boom, she ready. Oh, with the sweet potato, butter, and Hawaiian salt.